Avengers Doomsday Thor. The universe remembers gods differently than it remembers men. Some are worshipped, some are feared, and some are forgotten. Long before the coming of Doomsday, before the sky of earth burned and the stars themselves began to fall silent, there was a Varys who had already lost everything: his kingdom, his brother, and people or country of his own purpose. Thor Odinson, once the god of thunder, now wandered between worlds. The story begins in silence. Deep in the emptiness of space, a long ship drafts near the shattered remains of a forgotten moon. Inside, Thor sits alone, stormbreakers resting beside him. The once of proud Prince of Argus looks older now, not in years, but in burden. His eyes carry the weight of countless battle and endless goodbyes. Since the last Great War, Thor was traveled across galaxies, helping where he can, fighting when he must, but victory no longer feels the same. Every battle reminds him of what he could not save. The universe is changing. Stars are collapsing without causes. Entire civilization vision overnight. Ancient comics begin. Older than Ogred itself have begun to disappear. Something is coming. Something powerful and to make even gods afraid. Thor feels it before he sends it. A storm without thunder. A silence before destruction. When a distressed single reach his ship, Thor answers without hesitation. The single comes from a dying world. It is skin torn open by narrator energy. Its city reduced to ash. Survivors speak of a being who did not fight, but erect a force that beings really itself. The wearer of name. Doomsday. Thor arrives too late to stop the destruction, but not too late to witness with aftermath. Mountains split apart. Ocean lifted into the air as it gravity itself had surprised. Even a stormbreak reached humming with unstable energy. For the first time in countries, Thor hesitations. This enemy is different, not driven by consequence, not by revenge, but by inevitability. As Thor as Thor searches the runnings, he discovers something impossible. Fragments of technology and symbols belonging to the multiple worlds. Earth, extender, even remnants of stars technology. Whoever or whatever causes this has already crossed path with the universe's greatest defenders and the lost. Thor realizes this is not a better means for one hero. This is an extension level event. Back on Earth, stage storms being forming across the planet. Lightning strikes without codes. Ocean pull backward from short lines. The sky itself flickers like a broken screen. Scientists cannot explain it. Sources cannot contain it. And somewhere in the shows the Avengers being to return. But Thor does not return immediately. Inside he traveled to the ruins of New Asgard, standing silently before the memorial of those he lost, the laughter of his people. It shows only in memory now. He once believed strength means winning every fight. Now he understands strength means standing against after loss. He speaks softly, almost to himself. I have fought monster, gods, titans, but this is feels like the end all things. The sudden bolt of lightning trump across the sky, responding to him doubt. The storm answered its king, because Thor is not just a warrior, he is a symbol of survival. As new spread across the cosmos, old alliance beings reaching out, guardians scattered across space, sources scanning disturbance in time. Even beings who once avoided Earth now turn their attention toward it. Something it's drawing everything together, and at the center of it all, it Thor. And at the center of it all is Thor. Meanwhile, far beyond now space, a massive shadow moves toward dying stars. Draw collapse as it passes. Energy itself beings around it. This is not destruction, fails by range. It is destruction by dazing. Doomsday is coming, and it is evolving. Thor finally returned to Earth during the first global storm. Lightning splits the sky as the arrives, landing among the Avengers with the force that shakes the grounds itself. For a moment there is relief, hope, because when Thor arrived, it usually means the tide is about to turn. But this time, Thor expansion says otherwise. This energy he wants does not seek to rule, it seeks to end. The room falls silent. For the first time, since the Avengers formed, the question is not how to win, but how to survive. As strangers as discusses and alliance formed, Thor looks toward to horizon. The storm could gather unnaturally fierce, whirling in partners even they cannot control. His connection to thunder feels as if something stronger is pushing back, a challenge to a god. And deep inside Thor feels something about not fear, but purpose. The king he has not faced signs to since the days of Agad glory, because if this truly is the end of everything, then he will face it as who he was always meant to be. Not a king, not a fallen hero, but a protector of realism. The god of thunders rises once more. Lightning reports across the sky as Thor summons the storm, his eyes glowing with renewed power. The better heroes may destroy wood, but Thor has learned one turn thought loss and war. Even in doomsday, hope can strike like lightning, and when he does, the thunder answer. Fade to back. Title: Appear Avengers Doomsday.